Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm back again with another DIY on furniture makeover. So if you have seen my videos, you would have got to know that I do a lot of furniture makeover. So it's all about how do I manage my furniture in such a way that it always looks new and the makeover do not cost a lot. So if you have missed my previous episode on dresser makeover, please go and watch it. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like my ideas. And let's get into the video quickly where I'm doing a complete modern makeover of my old table. I've cut down the center of my table using blade. Next, I have got a plyboard installed on my tabletop with nails. After doing putty on my tabletop, I am sanding the table to give it a smooth finish. My furniture is ready for painting. The putty is done, the sanding is done. And so I am now going to paint it using a leftover wall paint from Asian Paints. It's a plastic coat paint, so it can very well go on my project. It will require at least 3 to 4 coats using brush, and then final coat I'll do with roller. After taking help from my dear husband, I have reached to the final coat of my tabletop. I'm spreading the color with a foam brush to give it an even look. The legs of my table are still undone because I want to do a golden spray paint on the legs of my table. Before starting any spray paint, please ensure to cover your floor area. The spray paint will give a nice golden antique look to my table. It's now time to design the table using acrylic color. I'm finding out center of my table where I can make a beautiful flower of red color. I'm using Fevicryl acrylic paint and Asian Paint stencil for this project. Acrylic colors are always a hit combination on a piece of furniture. I'm doing this red acrylic color on a white piece of furniture and it's looking beautiful. While doing this stencil, I'm ensuring that the color do not smudge because it will destroy the base color of my table. And the color should not peep out of the stencil. If it will require lot of redo, lot of correction with white paint. It's time to remove the stencils, but I'm nervous. It will require some correction with white paint definitely, but it's beautiful. I'm doing small corrections with this white paint to give it a final look. This is a final and most important step on my table makeover project. I'm using touch wood and spreading it with the help of a brush. It will help seal my work, my design. It will protect my work from scratches and spots. And it will provide a beautiful sheen to my work. This is the final reveal. Yay! So guys, if you think my idea was worth trying, it's modern, it's stylish, it's on the budget, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm coming up with lot of remodeling ideas where you can simply do some DIYs and give a completely new stylish look to your already existing furniture. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.